1 Quetzal. Use black or blue marker for shading only one bubble for each question. Cutting, erasing, overwriting, multiple bubble shading is not allowed. S. 1. Which of the following is the smallest prefin? Omega, B. Exa, C. Peta, D. 2. Which of the following show one significant figure? A 1.1, B6 by 102, C 7.03, D 0.701. 3. A beer begain to accelerate at a constant 0.3 meters per square second for 3 seconds. Its Charnline velocity is a 1.95 meters per second, B 0.9 meters per second, C 1.5 meters per second, D none. 4. The unit of coefficient of friction is AN, B kilogram, CU, D. It has no unit. 5. Which of the following forces can act as a centripetal force? A tension, B. Friction, C. Gravitational force, D. All. 6. Conventionally anticlockwise turn is taken as a negative, B. Parallel, C. 0, D. Positive. 7. The shortest distance B, W. 2 couple forces is a moment arm, B. Radius, C. Double moment, D. Couple arm. 8. The radius of the Earth is a 9.8 m, B. 6.67 x 10-11 m, C. 6 x 10-24 m, D. 6.4 x 106 m. 9. The value of G at the surface of the Moon is a 9.8 meters per square second, B. 9.7 meters per square second, C. 8.9 meters per square second, B. 1.63 meters per 10. 1 HP equals a 476 W, B. 746 W, C. 550 W, D. none. 11. Liquid and gases are collectively categorized as A. Liquids, B. Fluids, C. Gases, D. Pascal. 12. The SI unit of heat is a kilogram, B. J, C. K, D. none. Section B. Q. Number 2. Attempt any 8 questions. I. Define physics. We 4 main branches. 2. Define significant rules and write it rules. 3. Drive first equation of motion Vf equals 6 plus at. 4. What is centripetal force? Write its mathematically form. V. Define momentum. Write mathematically and its unit. 6. Define couple. Give 2 example. 7. Define kinetic energy and potential energy. Write its mathematical form. 8. Define pressure, density and Young's modulus. 9. What is meant by specific heat capacity? X. Convert 37 C, 50 C, 40 C into Kelvin scale. 11. Write the application of convection of heat. Section C. Attempt any THRE long questions. 3 Quetzales. A. Drive second equation of motion S equals VIT plus 1 or 2x at square. B. A runner makes one lap around 270 m crular track in 30 seconds. What is his average speed? 4 Quetzales. A. State and explain Newton's second law of motion. B. Define and explain torque. 5 Quetzales. A. State and explain universal law of gravitation. B. Calculate the mass of Earth using universal law of gravitation. 6 Quetzales. A. State and explain Pascal principle. B. Latent heat of fusion. C. Define thermal conductivity.